Hey guys, I wanted to give a quick update on my Raspberry Pi picture frame and slideshow project. I have everything pretty much configured now on the breadboard and on the Raspberry Pi, and I added a couple of things. I'm just waiting for the monitor to come in from AliExpress. That could be anywhere between, today or in a few months from now. Hopefully, it's going to be coming in sooner, but I'm going to just show you now my update on what I have done on the breadboard. So the last video that you've seen, I had only one button in here programmed, and what I had that set up is a toggle. So when I hit the button, it would switch between UI2 and the slideshow. And when I hit the button, you could just toggle between the two. I also added in a buzzer because, why not? I scavenged this thing off of an old motherboard and wired it in, and, it works. So a couple of other buttons I've added in here. First thing I want to show you is I added in a fan that is hooked up into a transistor. And basically what I have this fan set to do is monitor the CPU temperature. So when it goes below 55 degrees, the fan will kick off, which it's cooling it down right now, so it should go down below 55 here in a second. There it goes. Well, I think once it reaches 55.5 or lower. So now the fan is kicked off. Once the temperature goes above 70, I think I have it set for 76 right now, the fan will kick back on. So it kicks on at 76, and then it goes off at 56 or 55 or something like that. And then the last thing I have on here is I have a button up here to toggle between the slideshow pictures. I might actually just program it to, right now when I hit it, it'll switch between the pictures. And then when I, geez, yeah. You get to see all of my stuff. So anyways, when I hit the button, it will switch between all of the pictures. I might just have it set to when I hit the button, it'll stop on a particular picture that I want to see, and it just won't go through in the slideshow presentation. And then the last thing I want to show you, I added in a shutdown button, which is right here. So this button, what this will do is gracefully send basically it shuts down the Raspberry Pi gracefully. And how I have that done is it sends a series of Alt F4 commands to the Raspberry Pi, which, of course, Alt F4 force closes whatever window that you have open currently. And the reason why I did it that way is because if you just shut down the Raspberry Pi with UI2 open in Chromium, when you go to restart it, you get a little bubble up here in the corner saying, do you want to restore the last pages that you viewed? And I couldn't figure out a way easy to go, get that to go away other than just shutting down Chromium, by hitting Alt F4. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that now. It sends two series of Alt F4 requests in a delay of about 2 seconds apart. So it'll Alt F4, close out Chromium, Alt F4, close out the slideshow, and then send the shutdown command. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now and show you how that works. So hit it. Here's the Alt F4. And then it's shut down. And then also the button does the exact same thing for starting it back up. So right now it's shut off. Get back in here, find the button, push it, and it turns back on, and everything loads back up the way it was before. So this has been a fun little project. I've never done any type of Python before, so I'll post all of my code in the forums once I have everything up and running and I get the monitor in. I'm sure you guys can edit the code and find different things that or might not be are redundant or are easier to code. But hey, it works for me and it works. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll keep everybody updated on the progress as I go along, especially once I get the monitor in so I can actually put it all together. So thank you all for watching, guys. I'll just let it go to the end here just to show you how it loads up. So there's UI2, waits a couple of seconds. There's the picture frame program, and then it goes into slideshow. There it is. All right, thanks.